Did you know that Android navigation buttons may be a past very soon? So here's how to use your full screen gestures on Android, and watch this video till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip. So in order to switch from our buttons to gestures, you are to open up your settings. After that, locate your home screen. And then you are to scroll down to your system navigation. Here, you are to choose buttons or gestures. So the buttons option is adjustable as well. You can mirror them, you can enable buttons shortcut and automatically disable by navigation buttons, or you can simply press the gestures, and when you're pressing it, you will be prompted to do a quick tutorial. However, we'll skip that part. I will give you this tutorial myself. Let's press that now. And there we are. Now the buttons has disappeared and we are in this mode. So how do we go to the home screen? We go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom. Easy as that. To open up our recent app screen, we're to swipe up from the bottom, hold our finger a bit, then release it and choose the desired application. To go back, you are to swipe from the edges of your screen, right one or left one, it doesn't really matter. To switch between application, locate this line at the bottom and simply switch it to the left or to the right, and you will be switching between applications. Easy as that. Also, on some phones, you can adjust gesture sensitivity. However, not on my Xiaomi. Then, let's go to the bonus point. And the bonus point, let me switch to it, is assistive touch. I really recommend you to get in these applications. So if you miss your classic back button but you still want to use your gestures, you can install it and it will emulate your back button. It's adjustable. It's just like assistive touch on iPhone, right? So you can use it for many things, and you can adjust it just to use your back button. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.